Hi, it's another terrific day in Coto de Caza, Orange County, California. This is December, and just look at this weather, fantastic. But today we're going to talk about this plant. This here is a Jerusalem sage. It's Phlomis fruticosa, and this plant comes to us from the Mediterranean. Now the species fruticosa, it means shrubby, and our plant here is a fast-growing evergreen shrub. It loves warm weather, and it grows about 3 feet tall, 5 feet wide. And here we have 5 of these plants here in our garden. So the leaves here, they're very sage-like. They look like sage. They even smell like sage. They're a little bit long. They're wrinkled. They're gray-green. They're covered with hairs. The undersides are white. You see here. Now this is called a Jerusalem sage, but it's not a true sage from the genus Salvia. It comes from the genus Phlomis. And in Greek, Phlomis means flame, and it probably refers to the ancient Greeks using this as a wick for their lamps. So the leaves here, they're edible. You can substitute them for true sage. You can dry them up, rub them on your meat for enhancing the flavors. You can use them as a garnish in your salads, your flavor sauces, or infuse them into oils and vinegar. So this plant comes from the Mediterranean, so it really likes our California coastal Mediterranean climate, but it also can withstand very high temperatures that we have inland California that extend or exceed over 100 degrees. All right, so let's take a look at the flowers. Here we go. So the flowers, there's this deep yellow color, and they grow in whorls around the stem. So you have one here, one here, one here. It kind of grows in a whorl. And each stem might even have up to 20 different whorls during the growing season. So here, I'll show you. So here's a whorl, and then the stem extends upward to a new flower. All right? So in order to get more flowers in summertime, if you cut back all the dead guys, okay, it'll induce this plant to even flower more. So that's a little tidbit of care. It's a great attractor of hummingbirds and butterflies. It's terrific to grow in your herb garden or a container or a raised planter or your vegetable garden. This plant prefers full sun, adequate water, well-drained soil. It's also drought tolerant and can withstand temperatures down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So finally, if you find your plant is wilting or it looks like it's dying, it's probably from overwatering or a fungal disease or even too much fertilizer. So remember, these are very resilient, drought-tolerant plants, so you don't have to do much to take care of them. In fact, you just water them about once per week and just kind of trim them back when you get dying parts. All right? Wow. So this is our Jerusalem sage, Phlomis fruticosa. It's doing great here in December. Fantastic. Okay, well, I hope you liked the video. We'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.